Hey y'all, Quita here. Hey. So, I was out here taking my walk, enjoying my smoothie, and I realized I forgot to shoot an intro for this vlog. So here it is. This vlog is for the mom on the go, the mom that doesn't have a lot of time in the morning. But her kid wants some French toast. Now, y'all, this is not proper French toast. This is French toast done my way. Okay? Takes about 10, maybe 15 minutes if you got to prep and set up and all that stuff. It's all the stuff that we usually have in our own pantry and refrigerator, you know, so you might not have to run out and get anything. You might also notice that, you know, in the vlog, my hair is red and now that it's blonde. This is a little pre-recording, but it's okay. Y'all gonna be all right. So, y'all gonna watch this vlog and I'm gonna go and finish my walk. I'll talk to y'all later. First, let's start with the bread. I got this at Walmart. Hopefully it's focusing. It's sliced brioche. This is so freaking good. You can also get this from Meijer and Kroger, because those are the other two stores that I go to get. This is what the packaging looks like if you get it from Kroger and Meijer. And it's called St. Pierre. But see, we ain't got that much left, because we use it to make sandwiches. Sorry about that. You need a bowl, cute little nice size bowl. Heavy whipping cream. I like to add in a little oat milk creamer. I thought this was caramel flavored, but it's sweet cream, so we just gonna run with it. Syrup. Pecans. Caramel. If y'all probably have noticed, if you've watched my vlogs, I use caramel a lot, so we keep it in here. Eggs. And non-stick cooking spray. Oh, or a skillet. I'm choosing to use my cast iron skillet. Now we can get started. You don't have to go crazy, just enough. Oh, and I forgot to add one thing. I keep forgetting to add, butter. You need butter. We're gonna crack 2 large eggs. Or my son wants some, so that could be 3. I took time to bring the eggs to room temperature. My son wants one. We're gonna use 3 eggs. Here we go. Pull out the wire whip. So I forgot to pull out the ground cinnamon and the vanilla. I'm gonna beat the eggs a little bit. Just a little beat. You don't want to beat them too much. Ground cinnamon. I just eyeball it. Ground cinnamon. That's about a teaspoon. Add that in there. Somewhat incorporate just a little bit. Cup. Take the cup, pour it half full with heavy whipping cream, and then fill it the rest of the way with the creamer, the sweet cream. I usually use caramel flavor. Throw that in there. A little bit of vanilla. Just a capful. Not even a whole capful. Need extra flavor. Let's incorporate. Get it all in there. I just like to go ahead and give the eggs a light beat before I add all of this into it, because it takes away some of the work that I have to do. Alright. That's how it should look. Skillet is hot. and ready. Okay, bread. Make sure your hands are good and washed, people. Let's get that in there. Flip it. Get a nice cup, nice and covered. That's a sliced brioche, so we're gonna work kind of fast, okay? Up on the sides and put her in. Second slice. Skillet is big enough for 2. Your skillet is only big enough for 1. Don't sweat it. It's alright. Uh-oh. And see what the non-stick cooking spray does? Makes it ready. I probably flipped that one a little too soon. It's alright. Let's try. Let's see if she's ready. Oh, she's ready. It doesn't take long. If your skillet is not screaming hot, maybe a little bit longer. I like it to get a little crisp. That little crust I love. There we go. Woo. We're gonna take a pot, a small pot, get it on there, cute little pot. We're gonna put a little syrup in there. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. It's time for these little sweeties to come off. We're gonna babysit that while we take these cuties off. So we're dusting the cinnamon sugar. And then we take that hot syrup. Kamari, come get your plate. And we drizzle. There you go. Yay. Give me the caramel. Chopped pecans. Only need a little bit. Let's get it swirling. All you need to do is get it swirling. Just bring it to a little bit of a simmer. There we go. And you have that. Dusting of cinnamon sugar. Bah. Pecan, caramel pecan. And there you have it. French toast with caramel pecan topping. That's it, y'all. Ain't nothing else to it. See how simple and quick that was? That's it.
Until the next one, love and blessings, y'all.